First, we need to assemble bucket dredger. Amazing! Filling bucket dredger. Let's choose the refueling gun of the same color as the tank cap. Press the pump. Done! Let's prepare the rock. Tap on the screen for the ship to continue the action. Sail to the port. Let's overcome obstacles on the way. We're approaching a coral reef. Let's turn the wheel to the right to get past. There's an island on our way. Turn the wheel to the left to sail past. Great! We got past all the obstacles. Wow, a new sticker! Drag the sticker onto its shadow. Amazing! Complete the levels to get all the stickers. First, let's assemble a crane ship and a barge. Let's drag the part to the right place. To fill it. Crane ship. Press the pump. We did it! Let's build the lighthouse base. There's an island on our way. Left rudder. Rocks on the horizon. Right rudder. Attention! Another ship is directly ahead. Sound a blast so it'll notice us. Great! We got past all the obstacles. Let's assemble a mast crane and a cargo ferry. need to assemble container ship. That's all. First, we have to fill it. Container ship. Try another color. Try another refueling gun. Press the pump. Amazing! Let's put the top part on. It's time to head for the port. Attention! Another ship is directly ahead. Sound the blast. There are rocks directly ahead. Right rudder. We're approaching a coral reef. Left rudder. Hooray! We've sailed into the port. Wow! A new sticker! That's all. First, we need to assemble red barge. Don't stop. And now, let's load the materials into red barge. Let's drag the hook to the car to load materials into the ship. Don't stop. Let's add the windows and doors. We need to wash. Red barge. Drag the foamer onto the ship to soap it up. Move the washer along the ship to clean up the rest of the foam. Hooray! Wow, a new sticker! Done! We have to assemble ship carrier. Hooray! Filling ship carrier. Try another refueling gun. Choose another color. Press the pump. Amazing! Let's build the pier. Yellow barge. That's all. And now, let's load the materials into yellow barge. Keep up the good work. Let's add some plants. The lighthouse on the rocks is finished. Now it will show the way to ships.